Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial we will learn how to make online question using Google Form. Okay, let's start. For making Google Forms question, you have to have a Gmail ID, okay? And then you have to open the browser of your computer. Okay, I am opening the browser. Okay, in the address bar, I have to write drive.google.com, then enter from your keyboard. Yes, for coming to this stage, you may need to use your Gmail ID and password if you are not signed in. I have already signed in, that is why this page has already come. Okay, now you will make Google form by clicking on this button. See here, plus sign or new. Okay, but in a particular folder, I will keep forms and other things in this folder. See here, I have already made this folder, Google Forms question. Okay, I am double clicking on it. Then you can click here. Yes, I am clicking. Then you will go to more options, then Google Forms, then blank form. Okay, you will click on blank form in this way, or you can keep your mouse on the blank space and just right click of your mouse. I am right clicking. Yes, then more option, then Google Forms, then blank form. Using any of these two techniques, you can make Google Form questions. Okay, I am clicking here. Okay, this is the Google Form starting screen, and you have already seen two options, questions and responses. Okay, when we have already prepared questions, afterwards we will think about the responses. At first, let us make questions. Okay, this is the title of the questions. I am writing online English exam 2020. Okay, here you can give some description of the form. Suppose subject English, marks 20, time 20 minutes, etc. Or some other information you can use here. Okay, if you press enter, it will go to the next line, but I am not going to the next line. Okay, this is the title, and if you give the title of the form, just click here. Yes, see, the same title has come to this point. Okay, it is the name of your Google Form question. Okay, now I am going to the next step. See here, at first I will give some options for the students so that the students can give us some information about them. Suppose full name of the students, full name of student, full name of student. Okay, then see here how the students will answer. Here is the option. If you click the drop down, then you will get all these things: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice question, check boxes, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid, and other options here. Okay, date, time, but we need to use here very short answer. Then I am going to the next question. How to go to the next question? Okay, just you will click this plus sign, add question. See here, add question. So you will click on it. Okay, the next question option will come. Class. Here, the same type, that means short answer. Okay, then next question. Plus sign, I'm going to the next question. Class roll number. Okay. Short questions, it is okay, but what type of short questions? Here the students are bound to write number, that is why I am giving some limitations. Yes, number, we have already selected number. Here the students will write number. Okay, it will be whole number, or we can give some limitations. That means the students are bound to write their roll number from one point to other point. Suppose from 101 to 199. This is a section. Okay, suppose that time I am using between, yes, between 101 and 199. Yes, that means the students are now bound to use this type of number, not less than 101 and not more than 199, because this is the roll numbers of the students of a particular section, or you can simply use number, whole number. Here whole number is also there, whole number, it is also right. I am giving in this way. If the students write not the number from 101 to 199, then the message will show. What type of message? Please write your correct class roll number. Okay, this type of message will be shown to the students if they do not write their roll number between these limitations. Okay, here we have already made some questions for the students. How to set any item compulsory in question? Yes, come back to this stage. Here we like to get the information from the students, and this information is compulsory for them. Okay, so how can you make these items compulsory? See here, you will click here and just require these options. It is off, but just make it on. Yes, required. Okay, required means the students are now bound to give this information, otherwise they cannot go to the next section. For the next one, yes, it is also compulsory. Class roll and class name, yes, compulsory. Yes, we are making compulsory. The next one, I am clicking here and making it required. Required means they are bound to provide information. Okay, these three things we have made compulsory. It is our question now that how to preview the question. Yes, here is the button. See here, I sign. Here it is setting sign and it is I sign. I button, just you will click this I button. It is preview button. Okay, and you will preview your questions here. And using this button, you can also appear at the exam. See here, it is title. If you see this star sign on any item, that items are compulsory. That means students are bound to answer these items. Okay, students full name, that is full name of student. Yes, it is compulsory. Suppose I am writing an answer, Sharif Ahmed, then class 11, science G, roll number. See here, if you use other type of roll number, please see what happens. 201 suppose, and click other here. See here, this is the instruction to the students. Please write your correct class roll number. Yes, please write it. If you write wrong roll number, it will not accept. Okay, now write the correct one. Then 100, suppose 4. Yes, it is okay. Yes, up to here we have made these questions. Now I am closing this. See here, this is the option add section. See, if you click here, it will make section, but your cursor should be at the ending part. Suppose here your cursor is here, and after this option there will be other section. Okay, I am clicking on it to make different sections. Yes, see here, from the starting up to here the first section is okay, and the second section starts from this area. Yes, entitle the section. What will be the section's name? Exam name. You can use your exam name. Online English exam. I am writing it. Online English exam 2020. Okay. From this section, that is from the second section, the actual exam is going to start. Write something here. It is optional. You can give some information here or not. It is according to your choice. Okay, I am giving it. Suppose after the given time, the server will not accept the response. So submit it in time. Suppose this type of information or other type of information you may provide here. It is optional, or you can avoid it, no problem. Okay, then you will click here, add questions. I am clicking here for adding questions. Yes, from here I will type my questions. Suppose question number 1. Okay, I am typing from my keyboard. A good student is never indifferent his studies. Full stop. Okay, then not linear. The answer will be multiple choice type. Only multiple choice question. Yes, here. Okay, then first answer will be, you can assign the number also, or you can avoid it. I am assigning number. With next number B options to number C options from number D for. Okay, I have already made the question. Here is the question and here is the answer. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? Afterwards, we'll discuss on it. Okay, the first question is okay. You can follow the shortcut. Suppose you have already have a question, just you will copy and paste. That time, what you will do? Okay, I am going to the next question. See here, next question. Yes, number two. But how I am doing it? Please let me show it. I have already prepared a question. Okay, in MS Word, I have already made and I am copying step by step all these questions and I will have to paste in the Google Forms question. Okay, question number two. I am copying the question at first. Control plus C, that means copy. Then going back to Google Form. Then Control plus V from keyboard. Okay. My second question is here, but answer I am copying again. See, four answers. At a time, you can copy four answers in this way, but it will not be side by side. It will be one after another, so that all four options or five options can be copied at a time. Okay, I am copying it, Control plus C again from the keyboard, then going back. I will click here and I will paste it, Control plus V from keyboard. Yes, see, A, B, C, D, four answer options have been pasted here. Okay, going to the next question. Third question is going back again to the question. Question number three, copy, then paste. Then answer option, go back to the question again, then copy, Ctrl plus C, copy, then going back to Google Form, select here and paste, Ctrl plus V. Yes. See here, question number one, question number two, question number three. Yes, I have already made all these questions in English, but if you mix up different languages, what can you do? Suppose you like to mix up Hindi language or Bangla language, Arabic language, then you will select your keyboard. See here, this is the options for changing keyboard. You will right click on it using your mouse, then you will get these options. Now English is going on, but if you like to write in Bangla or in other language, you will select other options from here, not Vijay Classic. For writing Bangla online, you will have to select Vijay Unicode or simple Unicode. Okay, I am clicking Unicode. So Unicode has been selected. Now I am going to the fourth number question. Question number four in Bangla. বাংলাদেশের রাজধানীর নাম কি? Okay, this is the question. Now your answer. ক ফরিদপুর, খ গাজীপুর, গ মিরপুর, ঘ ঢাকা. Okay, I have written all these questions using Bangla keyboard. Okay, I am copying the question here, Control C, then going back to the question. Okay, plus sign for adding other question. Okay, it is question number, it will be five, number five. I am giving five number in Bangla, then answer will be here. Okay, see here, four answers I have already selected, then Control C, copy, then here Control V for pasting. Okay, I have already pasted. In the same way, next question, question number six, I am going back, question number six, Control C, then question number six, then answer will be here. I am copying, Control C, then Control V. Okay, for pasting. So in this way, you will set all questions in different languages. How to set marks? For setting marks, you have to go to setting options. See here, I am going to setting options. Third options, quizzes. Yes, it is very essential for setting the points or marks against this question. These options make this a quiz. Yes, we are setting the questions as a quiz format. Okay, so I'm switching this button on. Then you have to click the button. My job has been done. Now I'm getting the options here. Section, that means section number two. Click on the first question. Here you will get this option. Select these options, answer key. Then I am providing marks. Its answer will be 2. Okay, this one is answer. Then click done. So your answer has been selected, but this answer will not be shown to the students. Okay, number 2, in the same way, click on the question, For setting marks or points, click on answer key, then set marks. I am setting 1 mark for each question. He always adheres dash his studies. Adheres to. Correct answer is 2. Done. So we have learned how to set points or marks for questions. Okay. When you will start the exam, you will keep it on. When the time will be over, that time just you will make it off. Okay. This is the technique. How to start and stop Google online exam. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody. If you like to get this type of tutorials more, then please share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and give us like. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.